Prince! Today we are visiting a happy farm. Can you guess who is hiding here? Listen! Who makes that sound? It's a cow. The cow says moo. Can you say moo? Great job! Now, who is this jumping around? It's a fluffy sheep. The sheep says baa. Let's say baa together. Look at those yellow feathers. Who is swimming in the pond? It's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. You're doing great. You learned so many animals today. High five. See you next time for more fun.